Hello guys, welcome once again. This is the Love Surgeon. Today we'll be talking about respect. Respect is the only interpretation a man has for love from a woman. So today I'll be giving you 4 tips on how you can get respect or get a lady to respect you as a man. So stay tuned, don't touch the dial. Welcome back. Now, straight to the first tip. The first tip in getting a lady to respect you is that you must be the man. That is, you must act manly. Now, most guys, in an attempt of trying to get a lady, in an attempt of trying to win a lady's heart, they become more feminine and weak in character and in action. Now, if you don't assume your role as the man, she begins to assume that role for you. And the moment she begins to assume the masculine role, of course, there will be attributes and attitudes of disrespect from her. So, be the man today so that you can get her to respect you, because ladies generally are attracted to dominant males, and if she's not attracted to you, there is no way she's going to respect you. Tip number 1. Be the man. Number 2 is that for you to get a lady to respect you, you have to do what? To be honest with her. Yes, you have to be honest with her, in the sense that when you're angry, you express it. When you're happy, you express it. You don't paint things just to make her happy. You don't paint things or make things white when it's dark. You don't try to sugarcoat her or talk things to her just to make her happy or make her feel good. When you are not in a good mood, you express it and you let her know. Don't start pretending or acting as though everything is fine when things are not fine. You're only killing yourself. Definitely, she will notice that things are not fine, and if you're not ready to be honest with her, she will definitely find ways to disrespect you, be it consciously or unconsciously. Ladies like honest guys, and you respect them a whole lot. So, tip number 2, be honest. Tip number 3 is that you need to be self-sufficient as the man. Self-sufficient in the sense that emotionally you mustn't be dependent on her. Financially, you also must not be dependent on her. So be self-sufficient and you're going to earn her respect. Tip number 4, which is the final, is respect her. Every lady also deserves to be respected, in as much as you're trying to get her to respect you. Right? Now, respect, they say, is reciprocal. So when you respect her, it's only natural for her to respect you in return. So be the man, be self-sufficient, be honest, and respect her. With these 4 tips, you can get any lady to respect you. Don't forget, this is the Love Surgeon saying, when it comes to matters of the heart, we all react differently regardless of the general principles. But don't forget, even with the general principles, if you don't work the principles cannot work itself out. In other words, the principles only work when you work the principles. Hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video. Thank you.